right, we're back to the giveaway pile for Everything Gotta Go giveaway number 19. And we're looking for the Eachine H8. Oh, there, well, that's not it. That's the Eachine H8S, the one that flies upside down. We're looking for the H8. Oh, yeah, there it is. Here is the Eachine H8. And this was another one of my favorite drones. These mini drones are a lot of fun, but I did have a lot of fun with this one. So here we go, let's get it out of the box here. So it was a few years since I reviewed this, so this won't be the review. The review will be right there if you want to check it out. But I just want to make sure the battery works, and if it needs to be changed, I'll change it. And then this is what else you get. You get these little rubber pads here, and they can be stuck to the bottom of the motors there. You get a spare set of propellers, a USB charger, and then a screwdriver. And then the controller and instructions. So whoever wins this, that's what you get. But let's check out this battery and see if we can charge it. See if it takes charge. If we have to change it out, we'll change it out. So the battery did not take charge. So I'm gonna replace it with a new one. So I have another 3.7 volt, 150 milliamp hour LiPo battery, just like what came with it. So the only problem is the new one is about 1 millimeter wider than the old one. So if you look here, we have about 16.8 millimeters on the old one, and the new one, we're looking at 17.6. So with this one being a little bit bigger, it does make it a little bit tighter to get into that battery compartment. It will go in. I had it in there. You just have to work it in there. See, it takes just a little bit of work, and then you can get it in there, and then you can plug it in and it works. It's tough to get back out, so I would recommend when you do get it in there, I wouldn't push it all the way in. I would just put it about that far in, so you can see how it's bulging out on the sides there. But if you push it too far in, it's gonna be really hard to get back out. So if you just get it in like that, you see how easy that came out. I did look for an exact replacement for this Eachine battery, and I could not find one, and this was the closest one I could find. So I'm gonna take it out, fly it, make sure that it still does its flips, rolls, and all the other functions that it's supposed to do. And if it works, then it's gonna be the giveaway. So I'm not gonna push that all the way in. Like I said, it's really hard to get out. All you do is plug it in, that turns it on. Let's come over here. We're at the track here. The track's looking a little rough. I had to do some raking. There's some rocks showing through from like some of the rains we had. So that's why it's all rocky. Yeah, the track needs a little bit of love. I built it and then I didn't use it for a while. Now I'm gonna face the head away for headless mode. Okay, there, it auto binds. Sounds like one of the blades is hitting the prop guards here. This has to be bent down. We'll bend them down so that way, there we go. Maybe that'll be better. Let's hope. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I love the H8. So that's the first rate, and the first rate's pretty quick. Whoa, I gotta get used to this non-altitude hold. I've been flying some altitude hold drones lately. Let's change the speed. There's 2 beeps, and oh yeah, this H8 is so quick. The yaw is really fast. Look how fast that yaws. You have to get used to that fast yaw. Look how fast that is. That's crazy. Let's go into first. Now the yaw slows down a little bit. We want to know if it does the flips. Oh yeah, there's backflip. There's a roll to the left and then the right. Nice tight flips. You can see why this was one of my favorites. Just the speed. That's awesome. Oh, maybe I should keep this because I do love this one. I think there's headless mode and return, 1 key return or something like that. Whoa. So that was 1 key return. Let's hit to get out of that. Now I think if we long press, yeah, now we're in headless mode. So yeah, I'm going to the left there. It's going to the left. Now I'm going to the right. It doesn't matter which way. Even when I'm spinning so fast, left is always left and right's always right. So let's get out of that because the beeping is kind of annoying. So headless mode works, 1 key return works.
We have the 2 speeds and the flips, and that's it. That's all this drone has. So I'm just gonna fly around until we get into low voltage, and then I'll give you the flight time. Oh, there it is. That's it. We got low voltage, and it just drops out of the sky when the battery's dead. So I'll put the time up on the screen. This drone is so much fun. Whoever gets this is definitely gonna enjoy it. So let's go back and we'll talk about the giveaway.
So that was the Eachine H8, and everything works perfectly fine on it. After getting that back out of storage for so many years, it did feel good to fly it, and I forgot just how good it is. But here's the chance for one of you to win this. So if you want to enter the Everything Gotta Go giveaway 19, all you have to do is be a subscriber from the US and comment down below, and your comment is your entry. And then join me on Tuesday, September 5th, and I'll do a live drawing where I randomly pick the winner of this Eachine H8. So that'll do it for this video, and good luck to everybody who enters. And I can't wait to see who wins this ready to run RC. Well, it's ready to fly, but